Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, I'm holding the Mangonada or Mangonada. Doesn't matter how you say it, as long as you enjoy the drink, all right guys? So if you like what you see, make sure you stay tuned to watch the video so you can find out how to make it. Make sure you have your favorite Mexican candy, along with the Mexican ingredients. As you can see, I was running low. I don't have the original bottle. Kind of running out of stock. Maybe a lot of people are making Mangonadas. Maybe everybody out there is learning how to make one. Why aren't you? Make sure you stay tuned so you can make one and enjoy it before the heat beats you to it, all right? All right guys, so to start things off, we're gonna get our Ninja. Start with 3/4 of an ounce of Orange Liqueur, or if you want, you had a bad day at work or something, you can go with 1 ounce. So today, I'm gonna go with 1 ounce. It's the best day, but it wasn't too bad. But 1 ounce will do. We're gonna follow it up by 2.5 ounces of our tequila. Su madre, que rico. Then you're gonna follow it up by your Mango Puree or Pure, whatever you say it. You're just gonna use 2 ounces of this, guys. Damn, that shit's yellow. Kind of peeled like that like a week ago. All right, follow it up by 1/4 of an ounce of Agave Nectar. You already have a lot of sweetness. You don't need too much sweetness. There you go. Next thing you're gonna need, that's just half of a lime, just half. Because the other one's gonna go to the ground. Ya lo chupó el diablo, ya no lo levantes. Half a lime. Squeeze all that juice in there, guys. All right, next thing you're gonna need is a little bit of ice. All right, after you have your ice in there, the next thing you're gonna need is your mango chunks, all right? So you can go the easy route, pretty much just gain some mangoes, cut them up, throw in the freezer. You can just go to Fry's and buy some pre-cut, frozen mango chunks. Bam, right here. Shit, that shit almost opened on me. So I can get a couple pieces, you know. Ahí está. Damn, this shit looks good. Hey, it's organic, guys, so it's okay. You can trust these guys. All right, guys, so make sure you close it up properly. Throw it to the side real quick. Get your plate over here. Throw a little bit of chamoy. Throw a little bit of Tajin. You need to pre-make this before you actually put the thing in there, man. If you're gonna be making a lot of these guys, it's better just to get the one that just goes right in there, man. You just pour it in there, kind of like a margarita glass rimmer. There. Bam. Now, just gonna blend it right up. After you have that done and set, now you're gonna get your chamoy again. Just gonna freaking go like that. Swing it around a little bit. There you guys have it. Look at that. I don't care how anybody else does it. That's how I do it. Open this up. Throw it right on top. Damn, delicious. You might be saying, wait bro, you got a little bit of leftover. Just wait, I'll show you what we can do with that. You just make a little pattern, throw some shit in there. Oh, some squiggly lines. Some design, I don't know, get creative with it, why not? Get one of these sticks, pop it open, some Mexican candy. Boom, throw it right there. Throw it in there. Get some mint, you guys. It's all about garnish. It's all about the beauty of the drink, guys. All right, guys, so remember what I said with the rest of it? You have a lot of things extra, guys. Extra ingredients, boom. Just make yourself a little shot. It's for your friend that came over but didn't want to drink a lot, but you forced them. At least take a shot, you know? Put a little dot. Even give them a little garnish too, you know? All right, guys, so there you have both the drinks, the Mangonada and then the Mangonada shot. Guys, what can be better than this? I don't know. Comment down below. Maybe you have a special drink, something you want to recommend me, or maybe something that I can make different that you have tried before. Drop it down in the comments down below. I'm dying to try it. All right, guys. This is Alejandro The Mixologist. Catch you guys in the next one. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you later, guys. We're gonna be using no shaker today, none of this sort. Instead, we're gonna be using the freaking bullets. Not the bullet, the Ninja. All right, guys, so first things first, we're gonna get our freaking Ninja bullet. So we're gonna need our bullet first. All right, guys, so to start things off, we're gonna get our bullet. Puta, no es un bullet, es un pinche Ninja. All right, guys, so after you have your ice in this container, that's so professional. The next thing you need is your mango chunks. I've been watching too much One Piece. Shanks. All right, let's go. And if you want to learn how to make it, make sure you stay tuned. Oh, man, it is starting to get a little bit hot over there.
It's getting hot over there. Over there.
Why didn't you stop me before?
Because I was like, it's getting hot over there. I'm like, I'm sure he's gonna head there right now.
So you can make one and enjoy it before the heat beats you to it, all right? Way better, huh?
Beautiful. Beautiful. And we got there. Yeah, we got it.
Ya me chingué todo esta side. From so many takes. At least we got it.